us tonight about 3 generations of royalty.
Before COPD, I took my son fishing every year. We had a great spot. Not easy to find, but worth it. But with COPD making it hard to breathe, I thought those things might be over. So my doctor prescribed Symbicort. It helps significantly improve my lung function starting within 5 minutes. Symbicort doesn't replace a rescue inhaler for sudden symptoms. With Symbicort, today I'm breathing better. And that means fish off. Symbicort is for COPD, including chronic bronchitis and emphysema. It should not be taken more than twice a day. Symbicort may increase your risk of lung infections, osteoporosis, and some eye problems. Tell your doctor if you have a heart condition or high blood pressure before taking it. With COPD, I thought I'd miss our family tradition. Now Symbicort significantly improves my lung function, starting within 5 minutes, and that makes a difference in my breathing. Today, we're ready for whatever swims our way. Ask your doctor about Symbicort. I got my first prescription free. Call or click to learn more.
If you can't afford your medication, AstraZeneca may be able to help. From the way the bristles move to the way they clean. Once you try an Oral-B Deep Sweep Power Brush, you'll never want to go back. Its dynamic power bristles reach between teeth to remove up to 76% more plaque than Sonic in hard-to-reach areas. Oral-B Deep Sweep 5000 Power Brush.
You know what's impressive? A talking car. But I'll tell you what impresses me. A talking train. This GE locomotive can tell you exactly where it is, what it's carrying, while using this fuel. Delivering whatever the world needs, when it needs it. After all, what's the point of talking if you don't have something important to say?
Big benefits for your heart health and more. In one small pill. Schiff Mega Red Omega 3 Krill Oil, the better Omega 3 choice. It absorbs faster in your body than fish oil with no fishy smell or aftertaste. Try Schiff Mega Red today.
Bread's going. Yeah. God
damn it. Was that the one I threw in the trash?
It might be.
Look at him. Here he comes. Where'd the bird? Where'd the bird go? Hey, where'd the bird go, fool?
Anything about the whole thing.
The filmmakers had remarkable access, but as the Queen never ever gives interviews, she remains a mystery, and that will never change. Today, outside London, it was the younger generation on St Patrick's Day duty. Kate Middleton presented sprigs of shamrock to members of the Irish Guards. Now 5 months pregnant, Kate was dressed in an appropriately green coat, but the 4-inch heels proved a problem, getting stuck in a drain. Luckily, William was a shoulder to lean on. Their public roles continue to grow as the Queen gradually cuts back. Last week, most of her engagements were cancelled as she recuperated from the stomach bug that put her in the hospital. But it's clear, at 86, she leads a full and active life. Annabelle Roberts, NBC News, London.
And here is something you might find surprising: the reach of St. Patrick's Day around the world. Although these images almost look photoshopped, the landmarks were transformed with green lighting in honor of the day. The Sydney Opera House in Australia was glowing. Both the Christ Redeemer statue in Rio and the Leaning Tower of Pisa shined brightly. And South Africa had a halo of green casting down Table Mountain. Back here in the U.S., residents in Duluth, Minnesota woke up this morning to something that occurred naturally. Some intense aurora flames that lit up the northern sky. And when we come back, a kernel of truth, one of the hottest trends in food.
What?
Each year.
Yeah. They're not gonna be able to fly after we get done. Yeah, fighters fighting over the bridge.